Hello, my beautiful chosen soul. Please stop scrolling. Do not rush past this moment. I need you to just breathe. Relax your shoulders and listen to the sound of my voice. If this video has somehow found its way onto your screen, I need you to understand the absolute magnitude of what is happening right now. You are part of the 1% out of the millions of people who could have swiped past. The Holy Spirit specifically intercepted your timeline today. This is not a coincidence. This is a divine appointment. You have been brought here because heaven is about to do something so incredibly massive in your life. You are going to be left completely speechless. For so long, you have felt like you were swimming against the current. You have watched your bank account drain faster than it fills, and you have carried the silent, heavy anxiety of wondering when the struggle would finally end. You have worked so incredibly hard, not just for yourself, but because you have a heart of gold. You want to bless your family, you want to protect your loved ones, and you want to give freely without fear. God has seen every single time you gave your last dollar to someone else. He has seen the tears you cried in private when you felt like you were failing. He has seen the unwavering faith you maintained even when your reality looked completely barren. Your beautiful, generous heart did not go unnoticed. You passed the test, my dear one, and your season of testing is officially over. Because you found this message on today, the universe is activating a season of supernatural multiplication in your life. The financial drought is completely gone and the floodgates are swinging wide open. We are not just talking about getting by. We are talking about divine overflow. God is about to multiply your bank account in ways that defy human logic. Unexpected checks in the mail, sudden promotions, debt being miraculously wiped clean, opportunities falling into your lap that you didn't even have to apply for. The resources you need to build a beautiful, secure legacy for your family are rushing toward you at lightning speed. You are stepping into a timeline where money flows to you like a river, where your only tears are tears of overwhelming gratitude. Can you feel that warm golden light wrapping around you right now? That is the seal of heaven. That is the light of Christ affirming that this prophecy is yours. You are safe. You are chosen. You are about to be so incredibly wealthy. I need you to anchor this exact moment into your physical reality. I want you to go into the comments right now and type, I am the 1%. God is multiplying my finances today. Claim it with absolute certainty. Let the universe know you are ready to receive your massive harvest. Thank you for sharing your precious energy with me today. If this message brought a wave of peace over your soul, please like and subscribe to Prosperity Whispers. Make sure you join us every single day for Jesus Protection Daily, where we will continue to shield your beautiful energy and guide you through this miraculous new chapter of absolute abundance. Rest well today, my beautiful soul. Your multiplication has already begun.